Welcome to Shenzhen Nuotsai Optoelectronics Company Limited. We are a leading high-tech enterprise, focusing on research, development, production, and sales of cutting-edge LED display screens. Whether it's crystal film screens, interactive tile screens, holographic transparent screens, or virtual space effect screens, our products represent the future of display technology. We have a passionate and creative team dedicated to providing innovative, customized display solutions for global clients. Join us and experience the endless possibilities of visual technology.